Yo guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be explaining 2 ways on how to cover the apps on your home screen. So it's gonna be a really simple tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right in the video. So there are 2 easy ways. There's either one you want guaranteed you don't. I'm pretty sure this technique is used to get out of trouble, but you can do whatever you want with it. And one is guaranteed to hide it, and one's just there to hide it for design. So the first one that I would mostly use for design. Let's say you scroll and then you see all these apps you don't want in your way. What you do is you see that little line right by Music, Walmart, all these apps. You hold it. Like so. Ooh, okay. You hold your home screen. You hold your home screen, and then click on this. And now it shows everything that your home screen has. So once you do that, you click off the check marks, press done, and now your stuff is way more organized. Now, that's the first simple tutorial. The second one that most people do when they have just like parents, I know this trick y'all do. Y'all go to settings, then go to screen time, then go to content private restrictions. Turn it on. It's going to be off when you do this, so make sure you turn it on. Turn it on, go to contact restrictions, go to apps, and then press don't allow apps. Now, I'm not going to do this because I don't need to, but basically what it will do is delete all the apps off of your home screen, and then once you allow all apps again, it'll come back. So you basically don't allow apps, and all the apps like Twitter, Instagram, all that, they just disappear. So basically, well, 2 easy tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, either like, comment.